So this is a nice day. Had a long day at work. I just came home and I got 2 wine cars. I might have this one, and I might have this one too, but it's a couple wine barrel cars. I really like those. Trying to make a wine barrel train. Here's the Austrian train. But I just received this locomotive today. Came home, it was a box sitting by the front door, and it's like a 185.2 Deutsches Bahn, general purpose type of locomotive. You see a lot of these, but this one's covered in like snow dust, which is pretty cool. I bought it for like my Christmas trains. It looks really good. Got like the window wipers are on. It's all kind of dusted with snow. Looks good. I don't know if they have snow cars too. They might have produced it at one point. Not sure. It's a cool engine. Look good with the Christmas cars, or with like a DB train. I like it. It's got really bright lights. Let's speed it up here. Bring it around the corner. Nice bright lights there. Get a look at it. I have another one similar to it. It's one of my oldest engines actually. But this one just had snow. Got a good deal on eBay for it. So I like that. And I also received today a couple pieces of track. And over here I want to make a bridge seen over river. So I got another one of these bridges, so I'll install that there for my little over the future river someday. That's a little quick update on the trains, and it's always fun to come home, and I haven't bought an engine in a while, so it's cool to come home and find an engine on the doorstep. Cool. Thanks for watching.